Hey, all right, see what happens. So we're gonna make some chicken quesadillas. Hogan's excited. So that was chili powder we put in there first, and then a little ground oregano. Now just a little bit cumin, some crushed red pepper. Might have been too much, and the adobo. Basically garlic salt. And ground black pepper. And just a little salt. We need just a smidge of oil in there. Just to lube everybody up. Zip. And massage. I've already got this pan pretty hot. Do you want to come over here? Go, yeah. There'll only be about 4 people see this, so you know. I don't know. I don't know. Don't know what I'm doing yet. Probably really loud in the microphone though. This thing. All right. Into this pan. Hogan thinks it looks disgusting. How about throw that away from me? Thanks. All right. I did not trim any of these because we're just going to cook them down and use some of that fat. 5 minutes on each side. We'll check the temperature of it, see where we're at. We're going to use this stuff. Half an onion and 1 mater. Fresh lady. Yep. We're just going to make a little bit of a pico to go with inside our quesadilla. This route. All right. Well, onion wrapper. Get out of there. Need a little cilantro. And we're just gonna bop off the end of it there. Kind of roll it up a little bit. Just give it a little chop. We don't need that guy. Good enough. In there, we're going to do a little more of the adobo. Could dice up a jalapeno, throw it in there. In fact, we still might. Just a little bit of cumin. We're going to skip the oregano. A little chili. Black pepper. And salt. A little splash of water. I think we will get a jalapeno in there. Or two. I decided to hang on. There we go. Let's go that many. Probably be optimal with a fresh jalapeno. Don't have it at the moment. But there's our pico. We'll fridge that. This chicken. Doing too bad. Got giant tortillas to make our quesadillas. Just realized my tortillas are quite a bit wider than my pan. So, improvise. Over there. Let's take these off and let them sit for a minute. Peel. All right. Just dice them up so that you don't have huge pieces in your. All right. Fistful of cheese. Chicken. I'm gonna stick to like one layer so it doesn't get too thick. Go. Go. Give her a little squish. There. Maybe it's hot. Come on. Don't want her to burn. Melty. Sides to brown up just a little. Him over. Off. Let's see. Make some little rips. You gotta have these bad dudes. Get off there. A dollop. Of that. Shredded lettuce that probably was better yesterday than today. Here we are. One good bite. All that. All that. All that. So good. Check that out. Melty.